Hey guys, welcome to Live Blogger. Today in this video we are going to talk about the top 3 niches for blogging. Most of the newbies in blogging are confused about choosing the best niche for their blog to get more traffic. In this video we are going to talk about the best niches that are less competitive for blogging. So let's get started. Number 1. Jobs website. As you can see, there is a lot of unemployment in our country and a number of people are jobless. So you can take advantage of this situation by just creating a website on which you can provide all the information related to jobs. For example, if there is any vacancy at a company in any particular city or state, you can simply write about that in your blog post, whether it is government or a private one. If you keep posting such useful job contents daily, then within 6 months your website will gain popularity. One thing you have to make sure that the content you post, it must be real. And stay away from the fake jobs because it will break your visitors' trust and you'll lose traffic. You can earn a handsome amount of money from job website. There are many websites on jobs, but if I talk about Blogger CMS platform, then you can visit the website asamcareer.com. When this website started, there were no views and no ranking to this website. But now this website ranks on every long tail keywords related to job. And its daily page view is more than 1 lakh. So this was the example. Just stay consistent, keep posting daily, your website will definitely get rank. Number 2, news website. This niche is one of our future plan on which we have started working. You must be aware that in news website there is no shortness of content. Whether your website is based on local level news or national level news, it doesn't matter. You'll get way too much content. The good thing about this niche is you'll get many sponsors, but the disadvantage is AdSense doesn't work properly here. Trust me, sponsors will be after you every time. The only thing you have to do is proper marketing of your site. For example, there is a website named as bhopalsamachar.com. Majorly it covers all the news of Bhopal and earns from ad network. And there is one more website named as khabreaajtaklive.com. This website only covers the Bareilly city of North India and it earns from sponsor. Both of these websites are created free of cost on Blogger CMS platform and both websites have traffic of more than 1 lakh visitors per day. If this much profit can be generated from a local level news website, then imagine how much can be generated from a national level news website. Now it's your turn to decide in between local level site or national level site. Number 3, exams and results website. This niche is best for earning because not only students but their parents also search for results and exams. So in short, you will get way too much traffic in this niche. I have a client in Nigeria. A few years ago, he started a website named as lasu-info.com and this website is based on exams and results. Within 1 year, his site became very popular and started giving traffic and earning as well. But one thing you have to make sure if you are willing to create a website on this niche, that you must post properly researched content, and if you are going for a national level exams and results website, then you may require a team for properly researched content. Guys, in this video we have not only talked about the niche and its advantages, but also we have shown a live example of the sites that are actually created on these 3 niches. And they are earning good amount of money as well. The most important thing is they all are created on Blogger CMS platform free of cost with no investment involved. So if anyone demotivates you by saying that Blogger sites do not get ranked, you can shut them up by showing example of these 3 sites. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you feel this video was useful, please do not forget to leave a like, comment and do subscribe to our channel.